The $1 per hour brain. This is where the number on your screen finally starts to make sense. Tesla's next chip, called AI-5, reportedly finished its final design phase in April 2026. In chip making, that moment is called tape-out. In plain terms, it means the blueprint is frozen and locked in, ready to become physical silicon, not just a slide in a keynote. Samsung's foundry has said the chip is planned for production in Taylor, Texas, using what is called a 2-nanometer class process, an extremely fine, extremely advanced way of packing transistors onto a chip. The tighter the process, the more raw thinking power fits into a smaller, cooler, cheaper piece of silicon. According to figures used in current analysis, AI-5 is targeting roughly 2,500 trillion operations per second, a measure engineers call TOPS, up from around 100 to 150 trillion on the current generation chip. In plain English, imagine the difference between a single calculator and an entire room of calculators working as one. That is targeting roughly 50 times the performance of the current AI-4 chip, while reportedly costing around 10% of what comparable NVIDIA hardware costs today. Those are Tesla's stated targets, not an independently verified benchmark, so treat them accordingly. But if the math holds, walk through this calculation with me, because it is the whole ballgame. If a single AI-5 brain costs Tesla roughly $3,000 to build, and that brain runs continuously for 5 years, that is about 43,800 hours of operation. Divide the cost by the hours, and you get 7 cents an hour, just for the thinking hardware itself. 7 cents. That is the seed of the dollar an hour number splashed across every headline. Add the body, the actuators, the electricity, and the maintenance, and Tesla's bet is that the whole package still lands somewhere near that $1 figure. Nobody outside the company can confirm that final number yet, and it is not a promise made to any customer. But the logic behind it is no longer theoretical. It is arithmetic, sitting in a spreadsheet somewhere, waiting to be true. NVIDIA's empire, and the bet Tesla is making against it. Here is the piece almost nobody connects, and it explains why this fight is bigger than one robot. NVIDIA's data center business alone reportedly generated around $75 billion in a single quarter, up 92% from the year before. That is the entire modern AI industry, concentrated inside